Hey y'all, it's Chy'Ann Galore with Designing Faith and More, and thank you for tuning to another video. Y'all, I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. That means I am reaching 100 people who really like my content, and we're just gonna keep going. I do have an announcement that I am integrating into using different software now. I will not be using Adobe because unfortunately they did inflate their prices on their products, which is about $69 a month. And until I get clients and momentum, I think it's best if I just go with Canva and Affinity for now. Affinity, I can use it as Photoshop, Illustrator, and Lightroom at the same time. So it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna also be pushing a lot of assets, presets, and uploading that to my Gumroad, so be on the lookout for that. And if you want to continue to see this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the tutorial. So there is a way that you can get a motion blur image in Canva. What we're gonna do is create basically a thumbnail, and to do that, go to social media. There's a Canva size ready for us, so scroll down and go to YouTube thumbnail. Here we are. We're going to be changing this canvas into black, and then we're going to upload the image. I personally use Pinterest, and maybe there's another one I can't think of, but typically Pinterest has everything that you need. So go to Pinterest. I typed in city, and I really liked this one for the video. So all you have to do is click the three dots and say download image, and it will be saved to your files. And then once you do that, go back to Canva, upload it, and then it should appear here. Let's go to apps. We don't talk about apps enough, but this is how we're gonna get that motion blur effect. Search motion blur. Here it is. Click on that and upload the image that you download. Here's the image, and as you can see, it is only doing one side. We kind of have to change the settings on this. So go to speed effect, make sure the direction is like this, and also make sure it's on both sides. The intensity is way too much, and the feather might be a lot for this image. So what you want to do is bring it all the way down to 1. Really, 2, the max. And then the feather is really up to you. It depends on the image. So whether you want 40 or more, it's totally up to you. I'm just gonna leave it at 60. Now add some tint and color to it. If you would like, I'm going to use the mode overlay and then use this color that they already preset it for me. And then the opacity is way too much, as you can see. We're gonna scale it down to at least 15%, and it has that tone of it being like a Y2K type of image. So after you're done all of the settings, add the design to the canvas, and this is how it looks. We're going to scale this a little bit to create a cinematic thumbnail, and what makes it cinematic is the black bars. I'm gonna make sure it's in the middle. There we go. Now we're gonna add some text, type in motion, change the color to yellow, and then we're gonna also change the font. Canva has came a long way with their fonts. I love their fonts. It's really amazing. Scale it to how you will like it, and then we're gonna press Alt to duplicate it, and then we're gonna type in blur. We're gonna change this into a different font. I love font pairings. So if you have a cursive font, it's gonna go good with a bold sans serif. And I will also be doing a video on how to pair fonts very soon, so be on the lookout for that. Scale it and then place it where you want it to go. Go back to motion, and we're gonna add an effect to it to make it glow. Use the neon, and there you have it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to continue to see this content, leave a comment, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a blessed one, y'all. Peace.